I'm Stephanie, Digital Thinker, and today we're going to talk about some resources that you can use inside of EAM. So after you're already logged in, you can go up here in your top left corner, click this down arrow, and you're able to go back to the Start Center, which is the main screen. So if you're ever in a different screen and you just want to get back to the Start Center, you can easily go up here and click on your Start Center, and it refreshes your Start Center. So we want to click the down button, and we can also go to My Account. Now, My Account is where you can change your success message, if you need to update your email address, if you need to change the language. Let's say your company has multiple languages and you just want to see EAM in English versus Spanish, you're able to change your language here. And also on the right side, you can change your password. If your password's about to expire, or maybe your company has a new policy out and you need to update your password, you're able to do that on the right side of the screen. We're going to go back up to the down arrow, and we're going to go to Help. Now, Help will push out a window, which is all the user guides that are out there available for you. Now, it's different than when you hit the question mark, which also takes you to the Help Center, because when you go straight from the down arrow to Help, it goes all of EAM, versus when you're on a screen itself and you click the question mark, then it just takes you to that user guide that is available. There's great resources out there. You just might have to narrow it down if you go from the down arrow versus by screen. Next, About. Now, the About will tell you all about the EAM that you have and the environment that you are in. This information is very helpful to not only your system administrator, but also if you reach out to consultants like Digital Thinker or Hexagon, it's great for them to know what application you're on, what server you're on, and what version. Version is very important when you are talking to people outside of your company. And also down here, you can see the newest release notes and the hardware and software guides that are available to you. I'm going to go back up to the down arrow and back. Back is great because you can go back to the screen you were previously at. And it took me back to the Start Center because that's the only screen that I've been to so far. And then the proper way to log out of EAM, besides up here hitting the X,